A plea offer may be in the works for the suspect in last year's Hawaii Loa Ridge murder case. This after the defendant's attorney raised claims of prosecutorial misconduct that could jeopardize the case. There may be new turns in Juan Baron's case. The man accused of killing and then concealing Gary Ruby's body in concrete in a bathtub in his Hawaii Loa Ridge home in 2022. I spoke with Baron's attorney, Miles Briner, who says a plea offer was submitted last week and they're waiting for a response from prosecutors. Legal experts say it's not uncommon for the defense to make a plea offer first, but this case is unique, with the motion to dismiss by the defense due to prosecutorial misconduct.
Because the defense has leverage, the government now needs to seriously consider whether it's going to amend the charge to something much lower or whether it's going to try to argue the motion and see if the court will agree with the state and not dismiss the case for prosecutorial misconduct.
The defense alleges that a deputy prosecutor used materials and photos from the case that are not public record in public presentations. According to court documents, the defense says the motion to dismiss seeks the truth to learn how much harm has been done to the defendant's rights to trial by a fair and impartial jury. The defense has also subpoenaed 2 other deputy prosecutors to testify about what materials were used in the presentations, but the state has filed motions to cancel those subpoenas.
In order to quash the subpoena, you've got to have a good basis, a valid basis for not requiring that person to appear in court. And, based on the record, it seems that these witnesses have relevant information. And if the motion moves forward to a hearing, they will be required to testify.
Legal experts say a judge will have to agree with the defense and government's plea agreement before making a decision.
A judge has to approve a plea bargain. So even though the defense and the prosecution have agreed on something, they then have to present it to the court, and the court has to decide that this is ultimately the just and fair thing to do.
We reached out to the prosecutor's office and are waiting to hear back. Baron is expected back in court on December 19th.